found an old notebook under my bed, filled with all the words I never said. Drew a little boat on a folded page. Guess I'm still learning how to act my age. Took it to the creek where we used to play. Let it find a current and float away. Watched it spin and dance on the water skin. Maybe that's how letting go begins. The scent of rain on summer streets. Your laughter plays on endless repeats. This whole town feels brand new and bright since you walked in and filled it with light. And I didn't know a heart could erase just from a single fleeting trace of how you look when you think no one sees. And now the world just sings your name, a quiet, constant, burning flame. Yeah, the whole wide world just sings your name in sunshine and pouring rain. I keep my eyes on my own path. Don't need the light to find my way home. Every step is slow, but it's mine. No need to rush when I got all